Black Hawk Down, made in 2001, is the true story of a 1993 raid in Mogadishu, Somalia. The movie begins with an oppressive Somalian group seizing a Red Cross shipment of food supplies to the starving and desperate Somalian people. They kill anyone who nears the shipment and find power in the suffering of others. This group is led by Aded, and the brutal raid the American soldiers pursue is to capture two of Aded's top men. This raid, that was supposed to be quick and painless, brought Black Hawks down, killed American men, and put these soldiers to the ultimate test of no man left behind. Close to the production of this movie in 1998, Clinton was President of the United States of America, and America witnessed the Monica Lewinsky scandal. A relatively liked president was caught red-handed in a lie about having sexual relations with an intern. With a dramatic increase in media and internet at the time, Clinton was not able to get off clean like politicians before his time. Clinton's uproar of distrust in American government was evident in Black Hawk Down. Authority was put into question in this movie. Soldiers questioned their officers, imitated them, rolled their eyes, and ultimately the head officer took the blame for the fatal raid. Other wars happening between the time period of the Somalian War and the production of the movie were between Haiti, Bosnia, and Iraq. These wars were very similar to the Somalian War, as the U.S. was often pushing democracy, not always sure what they were doing on another country's soil, and had many failures. These events were paralleled in the movie, as the men themselves often did not know what they were doing there. One told a story about his departure and that he was unable to answer a friend's question why he was going to the war, and another soldier held captive was questioned by a Somalian why they were there, and to let them have their own civil war. The American soldier had no response. Because there was no clear-cut purpose or moral behind the war, the soldiers' purpose shifted to a personal goal. The cause became them. No man left behind was their mantra, and it was so clearly depicted in the movie, as they went back for helicopters or fallen men, or stayed with fallen soldiers. The trust was built between them, and the motivation was to stay alive and help the man next to you. It was far from a glorified victory war movie. This same personal message was shown through the filming. Watching the movie, you went through it as if you were a soldier up close with the actors in combat, further exemplifying this message that it was a war of camaraderie and hardship between the men. It was confusing and gave no direct moral belief through the filming.